Hey everybody, I'm Yvonne Williams with Back to Earth Creations, and in this video I want to talk to y'all a bit about sticking to what you're good at and how it's a horrible idea. I don't know how many times I have had said to me, or I've seen it said to someone else, or worst of all, I've heard someone say it to themselves, to stick to what you're good at, or basically, don't quit your day job. It's like, I know a lot of times people are just trying to be funny, but that is the most light, dampening, and discouraging thing that you can say to somebody. Because it's like, oh, stick to what you're good at is basically telling somebody, don't ever try anything new. Don't try to learn things. You don't have to be an expert to enjoy what you're doing. If I had stuck to what I was good at, like, I'd be doing the same, like, nothing. I'd be doing nothing. I was not good at anything whenever I started out doing it. Like, wire wrapping, it was horrible. Chainmail was a nightmare. Painting, I'm not even going to talk about. No, let's talk about it. I was horrible at painting too, but I liked it. It made me happy, so I kept doing it. And I think if I could give anybody, I've got like a caravan of cats going here behind me. If I could give anyone any recommendations, if it inspires you, pursue it. If you're getting joy from it, keep doing it. It doesn't matter if you're just making messes. Oh, cats. Y'all get along. You don't have to actually make something of value, which is another subjective thing. If it provides you joy, it has value. End of story. So yeah, it bothers me so much whenever I see people dimming the light of others, or again, worst of all, dimming their own light. And it's like, you've got to lift yourself up, because sometimes the people around you won't, or can't, or don't. I've been very lucky, so lucky, that the people closest to me, they're lifting me up constantly, and sometimes they're dragging me up by my ears, being like, no, you can do this. And I'm like, okay. And I thrive in that environment. But I've also been in situations where there was no external encouragement or validation or approval even. So I say again, if it inspires you or brings you joy, as long as it's not like ruining your life, then it's Randy Vaughn approved. But yeah, so I want to know what y'all's thoughts are. I want to hear y'all's stories of how you didn't just stick to what you were good at, or how you did. It's different things work for different folks. But I've been thinking about it, and I'm almost 30 now, and I've been running my own business with my partner for 10 years, and there was not a whole lot of support there at the beginning. I mean, most of the time, Randy and I moved in with each other while I was still in high school. I had not even graduated high school yet. Everybody was like, you're going to drop out of school, you're going to get knocked up, you're going to ruin your life. And I'm like, first off, you can't define how my life is or isn't going to be ruined, so bugger off. Second of all, that's not what happened. I moved in with Randy. My grades improved because I didn't have to keep a day job anymore. Randy was like, your job is to go to school and to do that. Because at the time, that was the path I was on. And he was like, you got this. So I went back up to straight A's. I went to college, finished up what I was working on with college, and we started our own business, and that has worked out too. So we've been a little bit of a statistical anomaly. But it's whenever we started our business, people were like, you can't quit your job? Like, there was one lady who was very, almost not violent, but not physically violent, but verbally very aggressive, was yelling at Randy that you can't do this. This isn't gonna work. This isn't gonna, well, here we are 10 years later, and we've, through hell and high water, made it work. We've, through rice and bean winters and all sorts of stuff, and with the support of all of y'all, the people closest to us, who have, I don't know how many friends we've had who have been like, hey, can you come babysit? Dinner's at 6, kind kind of stuff just so that we stayed fed. And so I'm super grateful to a lot of the folks who've been there for us. But I want to be here for you guys now, for if you don't have somebody. I'm telling you, you can do this. You've got this. You can do it. Just take your dream and do it. Like Shia LaBeouf style. Anyways, but yeah, and if I had stuck to what I was good at, I wouldn't maybe feel as proud of what I've accomplished in my 20s as what I feel, because I want to show you guys, I just made this here recently, and I never in my entire life thought I would be able to do something like that, but I also didn't think that I wouldn't be able to. I'm not like the type to like look at something and be like, oh, I can't do that. I look at something like, I'm gonna try that, and then I try it and it's like, oh, this isn't how I planned. But then if I like it, I keep at it, and then before you know it, you too will be making stuff like this or something different. I don't know if Pastel Galaxy mermaid boobs aren't your thing, but you've got this, you guys. So on that note, I'm going to let y'all start commenting, and I'll see y'all down in the comments. If you have any questions, ideas, or comments, please leave them down below. If you would like to share pictures of what you have made, or tag me in things, my social media links are down below also. And then I also do a line of Patreon giveaways and craft crates and all sorts of different things. We do early release on our videos over on Patreon for our $10 and up pledgers, as well as digital versions of our templates. Cats! Just a caravan of angry cats. I'm waiting for the three-legged cat to come stumping by. And then like a fourth cat who's like, whose cat is that? Anyways, but yeah, check us out online, guys, and have a wonderful day. And do it. You've got this. You're awesome. And I'm not just saying that with a broad brush, like, yeah, you're great, everybody's special. It's like, no. In the past over a year and a half now of posting videos every day, I've met online a lot of you and seen your work grow, seeing it, your first project that is miles beyond where I was 3 years into it. Y'all are inspiring and really encouraging, and make me want to push myself to do my best. So thank you guys so much, and have a beautiful day. Happy crafting, and bye. Cats. I'm gonna go play with these cats.